Bats are not just solitary creatures. Many species exhibit extraordinary social behaviors that rival those of primates. For instance, the greater spear-nosed bat lives in large colonies where individuals form strong bonds. These bats engage in cooperative grooming, which strengthens relationships and enhances social cohesion. Moreover, they practice food sharing. Bats that have successfully foraged may regurgitate food for those that haven't, ensuring survival of the group. This kind of altruism underscores their complex social structures. By studying such behaviors, researchers gain insights into the evolutionary advantages of social living, emphasizing bats' critical roles in ecosystems and biodiversity.